Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check for blockages in your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. Now, if your vacuum is not picking up properly or the suction is weak, it's highly likely that you have a blockage somewhere inside it. It's always important to know how to look for these blockages and how to remove them. Now, for this video, we're using a Hoover Handheld vacuum, but it's important to know that the process should be similar for most makes and models of this type of vacuum. Let's get started. Now, as well as your machine having weak suction or not picking up properly, another symptom of a blockage inside your stick vacuum is a pulsating motor noise, which sounds a little bit like again, this is the motor struggling against a blockage in the stick vacuum. So that's another symptom of having a blockage inside. The first area to check is the wand on your stick vacuum. So you're going to want to separate the wand from the main body and also the head from the wand. Then you can look inside the wand to check for any blockages. If you find any, simply remove them by hand. And if there is a blockage that you can't reach, try using an item such as an unraveled coat hanger to help you reach and remove it. If there is no blockage inside the wand, then check the inlets. These are the holes where the wand connects to your vacuum's handle and cleaner head. Again, if you find any blockages, simply remove them by hand. The brush bar can also get blocked by debris or string, preventing it from spinning properly, so you'll need to check this too. To remove the brush bar on this model, simply take hold of the tab at the end of the brush bar and pull out of the cleaner head. Once the brush bar is removed, you can then take out any string, hair or debris that might be wrapped around the brush bar. If you find any, you can go ahead and remove it by hand before returning the brush bar back to the cleaner head. If you have large amounts of hair wrapped around the brush bar, you can use a pair of scissors to gently cut that hair away before returning it to the vacuum head. To replace the brush bar on this Hoover model, you have to line up the ridges on the brush bar itself with the grooves on the cleaner head. Now, if while checking your brush bar, you find that it's damaged or the bristles have become worn, it will need to be replaced. And you can find replacement brush bars for your Hoover vacuum in the description below. So there we have it, how to check for and remove blockages on your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. Hopefully your vacuum cleaner is working again properly. Now, whilst you're here, another reason why your vacuum cleaner may have a loss of suction and not be picking up properly is because the filters are blocked. Now, you need to clean your filters regularly inside your vacuum cleaner. So we have another great video down here for you, which is how to clean and replace the filters on your Hoover Handheld stick vacuum. And of course, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maintenance advice, repair guides, and everything related to eSpares. Thanks for watching.